Hello everyone, this is Team 11 from UCL and we're presenting our application DiapixUK. Basically the application is used by researchers to study communication breakdowns. It's based on spot the difference games, as you can see. I've opened two browsers so that I can simulate two players. So first we click start. We choose whether first player should be the host tablet or not. We say it will. We enter subject codes for both players, preferences to show time or not, time, let's put it on 13 minutes, picture, street, 2. When we press next, there's a room created for the second player to join. So we select non-host, we choose the room, we click next, and then we enter subject code. Depending on the room, we enter some information about the subject, gender, age, conditions, just input something random. Next we have the instructions, giving some more detail on what the game is all about and how to click and how to use, but I'm going to explain that briefly. So basically when start is clicked, the main gameplay is opened. As you can see, they're almost identical pictures with some differences. We start clicking on the differences, example here and here. If you want to unselect, you just click it again, you confirm and it's unselected. Let's click on just a bit more differences. Here. Okay. Now when you press finish, it asks you whether you want to confirm or not. Let's confirm for the sake of finishing. And dark green, you can see your correct differences. The red ones are the differences you haven't found. And the green ones with red cross are the differences that are wrong. And on the right you can see the number of differences that you found. When you press submit, all the information is sent to the database, as you can see here. Here you open Heroku dashboard. Okay, so we're in the database. We're making an SQL query to get all the information from report. Report is the table where we put all subject specific details. Here we can see the subject that we inputted. This is subject number, subject pair ID, dates, age, gender, and so on and so on. And here you can see how many differences you've spotted and the coordinates of the differences. On the next one, we can see subject pair specific details from the table subject pairs. Here you can see pair number, pair ID 20. This is the host. This is subject number 2, time is 13, timer off, street 2, and so on.
Text. I'm going to press start, and I'm going to take a pre-existing room. This makes me the second player in a game, and then I can input some information about the subject. So let's say I'm 14. Here are the instructions for me as a user, and it tells me about how to remove differences and what differences look like on the app. And then I'm going to play. So I'm going to select some random differences, given that I'm speaking to someone else who I cannot see about the same scene. And if I press pause, it blurs the screen out and I can't touch it. I can't change anything, but it stops the timer. And when I resume it, I can continue playing. And when I finish, it gives me feedback on which differences I got correct and which ones I got wrong. And it tells me how many I got correct. And when I press submit, it sends a report off to the researchers.